video.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident of Central Florida, I want to welcome you home. If you're one of our 75 million visitors, welcome to the City View. You probably know Orlando for its world-class theme parks and attractions, but you may not know the other half of it. From our professional sports, high-tech and emerging medical industries, to our vibrant arts community, there is something for everyone. Enjoy your visit.
Please hold on to the handrails. The APM is approaching the main terminal building. When the APM stops, please exit and follow signs to baggage claim. Remember, resort and other ground transportation options are on level 1.
This is our hotel. Why we stop?
Get our transportation to get our
We're staying on, so we're heading. Yeah. We're just going for the ride.
You
Got
can't get
2
enough.
hours to spare.
Yeah. Move.
Come on, Bertie. Come on, Levy. Come on. Come on. Bertie, come on.
Here we go.
That's right. Look at
Yay! When I sit here with Mom? Oh, no, we'll stay on there. I think it's not a long ride. Try. Sit on here. Sit on here. Yes? As hard as this, eh? What? Kayden, view on the tram? Ready?
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to the handrails. The automated people mover will be departing momentarily. from
Automated people mover?
7:99. Whether you call Central Florida home or your favorite travel destination, we hope that you'll return soon. Have a pleasant flight.
Orlando and Central Florida have so much to offer. There's a good chance you didn't see and do it all. So please come back and visit us again very soon. This is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. We hope you enjoyed your Orlando experience.
He's watching out Tram.
Huh? What? Oh.
Please hold on to the handrails. When the APM stops, please exit for exit 7 through 99.
All right, that was a fun ride. Hold on, Kay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That was fun, eh?
Which